Can you see? There.
Is it on?
Yeah, it is. Turn it around. See the picture? Look at the picture.
Yeah.
That's what you're taking a movie of. Okay.
This is Carter, recording in live with Villager News. And I am Villager number 6,000. What is number of villagers my brother made it up?
Okay, do your movie.
And on the left side, we have people passing by.
We saw a raccoon. That was about it.
Then we are going under a bridge, and we have some more people about to pass by.
He's making a movie. It's still going, even though you can't see the picture by the way.
He's kind of pointed in
If you're looking at the red light, you better be talking to
Villager, or number 3. Reporting live. It's Villager number 3. Now we are with Villager number 7. And I am number Villager 7. And we are going under a bridge right about now. Half of our boat is under the bridge. Now I am under the bridge, as you can see.
Look, that's Jackie up on the bridge, I think.
And there you can see my Jackie.
No, not on this side.
They may be Jackie on
Make sure you
that
keep
bridge.
the camera inside the boat.
Don't want to drop in the water because I don't have the waterproof case on it.
Wait, you have a waterproof case?
Call Jackie.
Jackie! Behind you! And as you can see above on the bridge, Jackie! Hey Jackie, say something, I'm taping you.
He's making a movie. Uh-oh, hope we don't get hooked. Don't bite the hook. Hey, who's those people on the beach? See them?
Yeah, those are my family. And you can see my family.
You want to go over there?
Villagers.
What are you doing?
No, why don't I go over there and walk back? No, I'll go over there and walk
back. You want to go over
back.
there? All right.
Yeah.
Want to go see your family?
What?
Let's go see.
Cool. I don't want to go see ya.
Okay, keep it in the boat.
Why can't we just drop it off over there?
We're just gonna see them over here first.
And there you can see my brother, Hudson. And the girl in the pink shirt is my mother. The girl in the black shirt is my sister. And the dog is my dog.
It's not about to use the selfie stick.
And I have some more people in my family.
I have no idea where they are. Is he commentating?
Hey, he's making a movie.
Yeah.
We got the whole...
Say something, Mom.
Say something, Mom.
Are you vlogging? Hi, Carter.
No.
He's vlogging.
Oh, yeah. No, say hello to the internet.
Hello, internet.
I am Villager number 3. Villager number 6.
Okay, we're gonna go park it.
Yeah, let's go park it. Can I do the rest back? Can we? Okay.
You want to paddle?
Yeah, I want to paddle back.